Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this Chevy key fob here. It works for these models over here and you don't need any fancy tools. You just need only one battery like this 2032 and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is right here at the bottom you see this hole. Now when you turn the fob like this, you see this small hole at the bottom, and now take the small flat screwdriver, insert the tip right here, only the tip, twist it a little bit, this will crack open, and the whole idea here, when this cracks open, the whole idea here is just to separate this fob into two pieces like this. Now when you separate it into two pieces like this, right after that on this side, you see your old dead battery over here. Now to remove the battery, it's very easy, just take the small flat screwdriver again, and from this side just push the battery here down, remove it, and when you remove the battery, here in the same place just slide your new battery up like this, and when you install the battery, make sure this here, the side here that faces you, is the positive side. So this step here is very important. Now when you insert your new battery over here with the positive side, take these two pieces again, make sure you align them perfectly here, all corners to match, everything to fit together, and just snap them together. And when you snap them together just like this, right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.